Meaning of fetus.
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 Fetus. Fetus refers to the unborn offspring of a mammal, specifically after the embryonic stage and before birth. During this stage, the fetus develops and grows within the mother's womb, receiving oxygen and nutrients via the placenta. It undergoes numerous developmental changes as it progresses towards full term, including the formation of organs, bones, and the nervous system. Eventually, the fetus will be born as a live baby or may be delivered prematurely due to various factors. Understanding fetal development is crucial for prenatal care and ensuring a healthy pregnancy outcome.